Good morning, children. Today I am going to start new chapter, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, okay na? Co means both, okay na? So, in coordinate geometry, we can locate any point on the plane. Suppose यह plane है and any point is given in the plane, so what will be its position? How can you trace the point on the plane? By the coordinate geometry. Okay na? So we have to need a graph paper. Okay na? Then draw graph paper. Take a graph paper and draw two lines. Horizontal line, another is vertical line. Horizontal line, suppose x o x dash. This is called x-axis. Y o y dash. This is your y o y dash. It is called y-axis. And what you observe here? Both lines meet at a point. At which point? This point is O. O is called origin. Okay na? So any point can be traced out by the distance of point along x-axis or along y-axis. Okay na? So suppose we have to first take here what? A. Point is A. What is the position of point A? How can you locate point A or point B or point C or point D, point E, point F? Okay na? So first of all, we comes from origin along to x-axis. Point is here. We come here from this point. So after distance 2 units, we come along the y-axis. What will be? We come along y-axis at distance 2. So we get point A. Okay na? So along x-axis we come 2 unit distance. So its x-coordinate is called 2. And again comes from the along y-axis travel 2 unit. So y-coordinate is 2. Okay now? So point A represented by 2 by 2. First to show the distance of point A along x-axis from the origin, and second to represent the distance of this point A along y-axis from the origin. So distance of along x-axis is called x-coordinate. What is x-coordinate? X-coordinate is called distance of any point along x-axis from the origin. And what is y-coordinate? Distance of any point along y-axis from the origin. Now x-coordinate, a special name of x-coordinate, coordinate is called abscissa. Okay na? Abscissa means x-coordinate. Okay na? And a special name of y-coordinate is called ordinate. What is abscissa? Distance of point along x-axis from the origin. What is ordinate? That is y-coordinate. Y-coordinate is called distance of point along y-axis from the origin. So what is the name of y-coordinate? It is called, or it is denoted by simply ordinate. So what you see here, what is the abscissa? Abscissa is x-coordinate. What is x-coordinate of point? Distance of the point along x-axis from origin. What is the ordinate? Ordinate is the y-coordinate of the point. What is y coordinate? Distance of point along y axis. Okay na? Now what will be give the sign, positive distance or negative distance. Okay na? From the origin y axis, left distance along x axis. This is your left, this is your right. Left distance negative x, and from the y axis right distance is positive. Similarly, along y axis above the origin distance is measured positive distance, and below the origin is negative distance. So negative 1 unit, negative 2 unit, negative 3 unit, negative 4. Similarly, left to the origin along what will be? X coordinate is negative. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay na? Now also we observe here these two lines x axis and y axis divide the whole region into 4 equal parts. Each part is called quadrant. This is your first quadrant. This is your second quadrant. This is your third quadrant. And this is your fourth quadrant. Now, any point in first quadrant, what will be? Distance of point along x positive and along y axis above the x coordinate, x axis positive. So sign of x coordinate is plus or y coordinate is plus. So in first quadrant, sign of x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. In second quadrant here in horizontally we move left to the origin. So x coordinate is negative, but above the origin y coordinate is positive. So sign of second quadrant is minus and plus. X coordinate minus, y coordinate plus. In third quadrant, we move from origin left to the origin. X coordinate is minus. Below the origin, y coordinate is minus. So both signs will be minus. Similarly, in fourth quadrant, we move right to the origin. X coordinate plus. Below the origin, y coordinate minus. The sign of fourth quadrant is plus and minus. Now, what will be coordinate of point A? What? 2, 2. Similarly, here point B. Point B. So, what is the coordinate of point B? Come to this side. That is minus 4. X coordinate is minus 4. What distance of B along y axis? What will be? 3. So plus 3. So coordinate of point B minus 4, 3. See here. Point D, coordinate of point D. For point D, we come origin. What will be here? Minus. Okay na? Minus 4. D here, suppose here. So minus 4. And what will be here also? Minus 4. So minus 4, minus 4. And see 4 point C. What is the coordinate of 4 point C? Draw the perpendicular on x axis and y axis. Where is curve? X axis 3. So x coordinate is 3. On y axis minus 3. Y coordinate is minus 3. Okay na? So by this way we can find the coordinate of any point. Again, point E lie on what? X axis. So if the point lie on x axis, then its y coordinate be 0. Write down, if point lie on x axis. On x axis, y coordinate means ordinate. Y coordinate means ordinate will be 0. If point lie on y axis, Then x coordinate means abscissa. Abscissa is 0. That is abscissa equals to 0. Okay na? So by this way, in coordinate geometry, you know about the x-axis, y-axis. What is x-axis? Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. Point of intersection of the origin. Okay na? And these two, we know about the quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. How can you find the position of the point? What is the coordinates of the point? Similarly, what is the coordinate of E? E is at a distance of 5 along x-axis, 5, but it lie on x-axis. What is the y coordinate? 0. So coordinate of E is 5 and 0. Similarly, what is the coordinate of F? F is on y-axis. X coordinate is 0. And y-axis at what? 4. At point 4. So 4. Coordinate of F is 0, 4.